We're going to be talking about product pages on your Shopify store and what you need to do if you want to get those conversions 5% or more. You want to make sure your add to cart button is clearly visible and easy to find. So never do white. I see a lot of brands do this. Never do white for your CTA button. Next, you want to include review stars around the product title. So usually it's above or below. The more reviews you have and the more people see that, the more they want to be a part of it, the more they want to get in, the more they want to get access and buy your product. Next, have a clear headline for your product title. So here it's Cosmic Coffee. You can usually state what the product is, or you can have some call out benefit to it, but keep the product title simple and or benefit focused. And you usually have a subheader. You can have some bullets with some benefits or just a simple subheader. And when it comes to your product images, keep the main image product focus. You can show the product with the packaging. This is really just the packaging. But what I like is that they've wrote this standout copy here, which is it's back in stock. You could also write limited time deal or free shipping or promotional sale going on, something like that.